Hi, it's Teresa here. Welcome to a Sewing Tuesday. Haven't done one of these in a while. Today we are going to make sticker books. So I bought this sticker paper. I will link it below. And I got the idea from Thrifty Day, which I'll try to remember to put a link in the bottom of it. So we're going to make two, and the thing you need to know about sticker paper is, look, it is very, very slick. So the first thing we're going to do is can't remember what the width of this is. Let's see. This is 8. So we want this 8. So I'm going to put this line right on here and on 8. Use this to make sure I'm doing 2 because it's just as fast. And these are going to just be pockets. So we are going, I need to, here, I don't know where my bone folder is. Disappeared in the move. It's okay, it'll slowly show up somewhere. Okay, let's see. We have right there. And here we go. So let's set the other one up. This one's a little thicker of material, but that's okay. We're making a fall one and a Halloween one because I want to organize my fall and Halloween items. There we go. So as you see, this is going to add a little bit of bulk, and we want it flying. So I'm going to start at just an angle and cut down there and do the same on this side. There we go. So now there's no bulk right there, and then you just glue these on, but I glue them after I sew the signatures in. And actually I have some that I've made that I haven't even glued yet. It's meant for, like, it's a good spot to add stickers that need to go into it, or like, you know, sometimes I buy those sticker packs that are already like a little book, and I don't want those in there, so I put them in a pocket. So here we go. Okay, now I'm going to do 6 each. So we are going to fold these, and mind you, they're very slick, so you got to be careful. And I do these individually because they're very thick, slick. I tried to do multiples at once, and yeah, that kind of backfired on me, so I don't do that anymore, which is totally understandable. So you want to do them one at a time, or else you're going to wind up with pages that are kind of a little wonky. I hope everyone's doing good. I am doing good. I actually have energy today, which is totally not normal. So I am doing a lot of videos today, hopefully. This is the first one of the day, so hopefully I'll get, my goal is to get at least 2 done or 3. But we'll see. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's throw that one in there, and let's do another 6 for the Halloween one. And I'm doing this because I have a lot of just random stickers here and there that I have bought in. And even though like my ephemera for Halloween and fall are going to be in the same container, I wanted my stickers to be in separate. So it will work. These are fun and easy, and they're kind of just addicting because I'll show you at the end. You can literally like take, I have played with them to the point that I have some that I'm like, okay, I could take this, move this, and move it to different areas to get it to work right. I'm doing this mainly because like the idea was very appealing, because you know, you get some of those stickers that are really, really hard to get off, and I am prepping for when I start losing my function of my hands, and hopefully that will be years away. Let's hope that there's no way I'll be able to deal with those stickers, so I'm doing it while I can. And there goes my earbud. Oops. There we go. So hopefully that will work the way I want it. Okay. So I'm going to set these aside. And then take care of them in a minute. So again, when you're doing this, I prep my thread 3 widths. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. And when sewing it in, you have to be very, very careful. 1, 2, 3, because they are very slick. So I use quite a bit of I kind of overkill it on the paper clips, so I know that they're good, you know, because see, as I'm putting them on, they are actually sliding on me, which is a normal thing for this. There we go. And then I'm going to put 2 more on top. And then we're going to go this way and do this side. There we go. Oops, that didn't get all of those. There we go. Grab one more. Okay. And even with all of these on here, it is still going to be wonky. So you have to be very like cautious. So let's thread my needle and so I'm going to just stick into all 3 of these. And I fold it half, that way I get them all kind of in the center. So you go in the middle, go up, go down, and this whole time I am holding on to this in hopes that I don't like maneuver it, you know. And then you stick it in the last hole. Wow, okay. And at this point, I would normally take these off, but I don't. I tie it and then I will take them off. Just because of the sheer fact that it can move. Now we'll take all these off. And there we go. And this actually gives you a lot of space when doing this. Okay, so we are going to, so here's the problem with this one. I folded it too much, so it's hanging over. But I'm still going to use it. I don't care. So make sure it's evenly distributed. And I could refold it, but I don't want to because I've already made that cut in the bottom, in the inside where the fold is. So I don't want an extra space down here. So instead, I'm making sure that these are even, and that will work for me. If this was something I was selling, I would fix the issue. But because it's my own and it's only a seasonal thing, I don't care. But that is 100% me. I just don't, not that big of a, I never am a perfect crafter, so there are certain things I try to be. Like when I'm quilting, you need to have your cuts pretty dang accurate. When I'm making a box, you have to have your cuts pretty dang accurate for the chipboard, that kind of stuff. But, or if you're making a journal, you have to have your cuts pretty accurate so your book isn't wonky. But now, if you want to, I will be showing organizing how I do this in shorts. But okay, you're gonna hold this up, poke through. Awesome. And it needs to go under. And then I am just going to tie this and take these out. Okay. Now I'm going to grab one that I've already done. And kind of show you what I do with it. hold that right there for right now. Okay, hold on a minute. I have it up here. My sweet kids went and got me a dirty soda. Okay, so here's pocket. And these ones I sewed around because I put it on paper. And actually there's a pocket right there. Huh, I didn't notice that. Anyways. So these are ones that are getting ready to put into this album. But I haven't done yet, so I keep them there. And as you can see, easy pickup, put it in there. That, I mean, so easy to get them off this way. And they're kind of fun just to stick off the paper and put it in. Here's another one I've done. And this one, these are harder to get off and these are hard to get off. So they're really, I mean, now they're, you know, really easy to get on, and then they'll stick on your paper. They keep the sticky. So is that fun? Having all your stickers that are difficult to get off all in one place. The only thing that I found that is not the coolest for me is if I don't do all of them, I leave a little stack, because for like Happy Mail, I like to put little stickers in there. So like individual ones like this, I like to keep a little on the side so I can do that. But if I wind up using them all, I'll just stick them on one sheet of a sticker paper and send it that way. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for following along. And I will put the paper down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.